We're looking now at an early 17th century copper engraved map of the Netherlands, including Belgium, what is today modern Belgium. The orientation is north is to the right, so actually this would be the proper geographical orientation, and the compass rose here indeed points in this way. But as is typical for this era, many maps of this region are depicted in this manner. We see beside the compass rose a nice sailing ship with a sea monster there, another sea monster here, and yet another sea monster there. We've got shields of the provinces in this strapwork cartouche. There appears to be a distance scale here at the left within a strapwork cartouche, and another distance scales down here. And what's interesting about this map is that long ago it was backed with paper like so, and then there are these paper repairs here, and a couple tissue repairs in more modern times done here. And so when we flip it over, we see that whoever took the time to back it in the way they did was not particularly careful about joining it perfectly at the bottom. And there is this tiny little area right here, engraved area of loss. But the map is scarce enough and interesting and early enough that it warrants consideration as it survives. If we want to look this map up in reference books, there are several places we could. The most obvious would be this reference book here, which is comprehensive and monumental, and one of the standard works on this topic. Right here, yes, Guicciardini Illustratus. And if we go to where this map is listed, we will find here it is cited as Nederlanden 6, and we see here the various editions. They range from 1609 up to 1648. There's Blaeu and Janssonius. It's not really possible from this example to pinpoint which one it is. However, we can then consult this useful reference book here by Van der Heyden, and we find in this one as well, this wonderful reference book here, we find the citation is here, and it is number map 70, and in here we see that there are different states of the map. There is the first state. It's actually given a double page illustration here, and then there is a second state, but the second state comes later, and so the states that are listed in the Guicciardini book are they're various ones of the first state, and they appear not to have any difference between them. It appears to be the same plate that was used for all printings in all editions of the Guicciardini work. And this map is currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.